it's Japanese. And I'm going to put 2 eggs. And I also have these noodles. Put the lid. Then I have microwave here. I'm running a monitor and 2 minutes microwave on my power inverter. I can see that the egg is still egg. Let's have a look. Yeah, the egg is still egg. I put another 2 minutes. Actually 3 minutes. And let's see what's going on with the battery. 12.1. Normally it is a 13.4 or 13.3. It means that it is consuming lots of energy, electricity. The egg is cooked. Need some salt, but it's okay. I should at least separate or break the noodles before heating. The power inverter suddenly stopped working. Yeah, after using the monitor, my laptop, and then the microwave oven. Yeah, and then the bun is actually shaded with that Aldi sign, and so the solar panel is not getting a sun to generate energy to supply to this battery. I think that's the reason. Now I'm trying to switch this off, and then we'll switch it on again. Switch it on. Let's check how much. It has 13.2, 13.1 volts, 13.2 volts. Let's switch it on the power inverter. Yeah, still no. I won't be able to finish editing the video. Yeah, I just came from the gym. I ran. I did some lifting. And I tried to do some sit-ups, but difficult. Sit-ups is difficult. And I also took a shower already. But I forgot to bring a new shirt, new underwear, new shorts. So I'm still wearing this. And now let's check if the inverter is working. 13.2. Hopefully this is working now. Still not. Now it's 13.3. I don't know why it's not working. We are now here at the park, and at the moment there is this Greek at the beach. Yeah, they sell different food, Greek food. But yeah, I don't want to buy, I don't want to spend money for food from the restaurant. Like what I've said, if I'm going to eat something, it must be coming from the grocery. When there's a lot of cars, it means that a lot of people. You can see lots of people down there swimming, mostly swimming. Yeah, family just relaxing, having their meal. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, at the moment I am here in Salamander Bay Sports Center. If you remember yesterday, the battery, the power inverter of the car is not working, and so this morning I decided to come here to go to Sparks on the Go, the auto electrician that installed this electrical system. Yeah, with Mr. Steve. Mr. Steve, a nice guy, nice electrician, auto electrician. Yeah, but I realized when I was driving, it's Sunday today and everything is closed. And because I won't be able to power my laptop, I won't be able to run my 240 volts appliance inside. Yeah, and so I really need to go to restaurant because I really want to upload video today. I'm going to do some editing and upload the video. Oh, let me show you how my backpack works. So this is how it is. Looks very simple, no too much design. Yeah, but on the side there's a side pocket where I can put anything. Something long, maybe an umbrella or bottled water. Yeah, and it is elastic. And on the other side there is another pocket where I can put the same. And this is locked by Velcro. At the back here there is a very big pocket where I can put my laptop. That's actually what I am going to do. And there is this pocket where I usually put my passport, yeah, money. There is another pocket here where I put my earphone, a marker, a perfume. Yeah. And then down here there's a big pocket where I put random things like yeah, these things. Random things. And that's it. But at the back here, this is actually the main container of this backpack, and it opens like this. So basically this one is designed for photographer. This is where they usually put all the lenses, the camera. But for me, this is where I put my charger. I have here all my GoPro things and charger. Yeah, so it's good, it's organized. My wallet, I mean my license, and all the cards, and I have my sunglasses, and I have more space here. Yeah, and I can make it small or make it bigger, and I can even remove this. Yeah, and if I close it, it's like that. But on the top of it there is a barrier here. This is where you can put all your clothing, extra things. Yeah, so it is a separate compartment, but usually it's empty. We are now here in Bay. Lots of cars, expecting a lot of people here. I'm going to find a restaurant where I can use my computer. I know that getting a car park here will be difficult. That's why I went to the main car park. Best busy restaurant here, busy restaurant on that side. Lots of going on in the water. Lots of jet ski. I don't like jet ski. They are noisy. Yeah, they are very noisy. I want to have a breakfast here and stay here for a bit long time. It is actually very busy over there. There's no vacant space, and the electrical outlet that I've seen before is occupied. So yeah, I won't be able to use my computer while eating. I ordered the bacon and egg roll and cappuccino. It's $24. Finish everything. You know, if you are new here in Australia and you don't live in Sydney or in the city, one of the food that you're going to notice is the bacon and egg roll. That's very popular. I mean, it's friendly, it's easy to access, affordable also. Also, the name is not complicated. When you see it on the menu, you will you read it as it is, bacon and egg roll. is now over 10 o'clock and I won't be able to edit and finish a video to upload. Yeah, I want my day to be productive. I'm not going to the gym today. I'll be doing this. I want to dispose this table. It's getting very tight in here. And another reason is yeah, the auto electrician is going to work here and there will be no space for him. He is not skinny like me. Yo, good day guys. Actually it is raining at the moment. Yeah, the weather is not so good today, but I already went to the auto electrician and yeah, my power inverter is already fixed. Yeah, that's the first thing I did when I wake up this morning. 8 o'clock, I went to the Sparks on the Go in Salamander Bay and Mr. Steve fixed it. I still have 30 minutes, actually 45 minutes, and I am cooking the rice. Hopefully my inverter will keep on working still. Very nice. Good evening guys. Yeah, today I work from 2 o'clock and I finish 10:30, and at the moment I'm here in Newcastle already. Yeah, I drive 1 hour coming from my workplace, and yeah, I'm actually going to do my laundry here. This is going to be the first time to do it here, and there is an instruction on how to use it. After loading the clothes over there, and then I paid here, and then push start. It's actually been raining, yeah, this morning. That's why I did not able to vlog. I actually just made a coffee. This decaffeinated, so it's okay. Yeah, there's no one in here. I'm the only person walking in here. Lots of cars on the side. Okay, that's it. It's already 1 o'clock in the morning. And that is expensive laundry. I spent 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 dollars. In the previous one I spent $15. Actually possibly $10, but yeah, I separate the white and colored last time. In here I put together, but it's still more expensive.